bought a new mouse. Now it feels like I have to relearn everything. Maybe. When I switched over, years of muscle memory went down the drain in an instant, and my brain just spent about a day going, nope, that feels wrong. Then finally, my brain caught up, and now, well, hang around and find out what I think about the mouse. Hey, furballs, SyberWulf here. Oh, just call me Cyber, everybody else does. I'm going to get this first part out of the way. I'm not a hardware reviewer, and nobody paid me to do this. But I did need a new mouse. The old one finally just gave up, and I told my buds I would let them know what I thought of it after I found one. So here we are. The old mouse was a good mouse. It wasn't super great, it wasn't super bad, but I was used to it. That's pretty much it. So I started asking around and shopping and looking at different things and something I could use for daily use and casual gaming, and importantly, something that would not break my wallet. Enter the Logitech G305 wireless mouse. It's technically marketed as a gaming mouse and it's about 30 bucks, but your price may vary. I opened the box. First thing I noticed, it wasn't that heavy. It wasn't that light. It just kind of in between. It's got a really good weight. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels good. I don't think you can say that about a mouse that often, but it just feels good. After I got it connected, I noticed pretty quickly the mouse was actually more responsive than the old one. Not a little bit, definitely more responsive. Years of muscle memory down the drain while my brain updated the hand firmware. Yay! Not really. So the next thing I noticed was the side buttons. There's two of them. They're programmable. You can make them do what you want. The positioning was kind of annoying at first. For the first day or so, I kept accidentally clicking on them, and it drove me nuts. Then, unexpectedly, it just felt like I was using the old mouse again, only it felt better. So after I really got into it, I learned about it has 4 DPI settings like 400, 800, 1600, and 3200. I set it at 800 because that's what a lot of people seem to be recommending these days, and I'm not going to lie, that's a really good setting for me. So, I had to try some games. I'm not going to say it suddenly made me a better gamer or anything, but, responsiveness does seem better. Seems like I was a little more accurate. I just may be making that up, but that's okay. It's me. But the one thing I absolutely loved, scroll wheel. I know that's a weird thing to get excited about, but I love the way it clicks when you scroll. That tactile sensation is just like ASMR, but for my finger. Every little clicky that it makes when you scroll is just very satisfying, and I want to just keep scrolling it, but I know that'll wear it out, so I'm not. Anyway, so what do I think of it? Is it good for everyday use? Yeah, absolutely. Is it good for casual gaming? Yeah, I think it is. Overall, it's a solid little mouse. And honestly, the biggest thing I can say is that I haven't found anything I really hate about it. To be fair, it did come out in 2018, but they're still making it, so they must have done something right. So for 30 bucks, I got a comfortable mouse. It's better than the old one, feels good in my hand, and it works really well. Sometimes that's all you actually need. So those are my thoughts. If you need a new one and don't want to spend a lot, it's definitely a good choice. If you just want to come by and say hi sometime, just drop me a comment. Until next time, this is Cyber. Be good, furballs.